Hello everybody, in today's video we would like to demonstrate that you can enter and respectively exit the BIOS on your Microsoft Surface device. So the first step that you need to take is to shut down your tablet or PC. You can do that by either long pressing at the power, or should I say side power key, or just tap and go for the respective option you'll have at the UI that says shutdown. So let's quickly switch off the device I have in front of me. Then once the Microsoft Surface tablet gets completely powered off, you gotta tap and hold the power up key and then touch and release, or should I say press and release the side power button like so. And basically once the Microsoft Surface logo appears, you can let go the volume rocker, and here we have the Surface UEFI menu. Once everything that you have, that you were intending to do over here is done, you can exit the BIOS by, tapping on the exit section over here and going for the restart now option. And now our Microsoft Surface PC will boot into the system as usual. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.